To connect your VIDA V1 with the My VIDA app, you have to first install it. You can download My VIDA app from your Android or iOS devices. To log in into the My VIDA app for the first time, follow these steps. Open the app and enter your registered mobile number. Click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP. VIDA details screen will pop up. Click on Confirm. My Profile section will open up. Fill in your personal details. Click on Continue. Set 4-digit security PIN and click on Set PIN. Make sure to fill all the mandatory fields. Your name, mobile number, email and date of birth are fetched from DMS. So complete them during the sales process. If applicable to your device, set Face ID or fingerprint authentication. You have now logged in into the My VIDA app. Make sure to keep your VIDA V1 on for 5 minutes once the app is installed. Now you are ready to connect your app to VIDA V1 through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The phone's Wi-Fi should be on and not connected to any other network. Also, the TFT should not be connected from the phone's Wi-Fi setting. If it is, forget the network and reconnect using My VIDA app's Wi-Fi setting. To connect, tap on More or tap on Connect or Enable Bluetooth pop-up message. Tap on Wi-Fi card. List of available networks will show up on the screen. Tap on your device number shown in the list, and you will be shown an SSID on the TFT screen. The last 4 digits will be your device number. It can be accessed through the Connect tab in the settings menu of the TFT. A default password will be displayed on TFT. Enter it. You are now connected to Wi-Fi. To confirm, look for the following icons on the TFT: mobile device battery level, mobile LTE signal strength bar, and Wi-Fi icon. If the Bluetooth icon in the My VIDA app is red, the Bluetooth is not connected. Tap on More or tap on Connect or Enable Bluetooth pop-up message. Again, tap on More, then tap on Bluetooth. Tap on your device number shown in the list. Some things to remember. Make sure phone's Bluetooth is on. The vehicle should not be connected via app settings. If connected from phone's setting, forget from there. Make sure the vehicle is in on state till pairing is completed. If required, run the motor for 1 minute. For more on how to VIDA, keep watching our videos.